I'm so excited that you make it this far, that you come, to learn. And that actually, shows me that you are willing to deal with emotions of fear and greed. You will agree with me. I'm also talking from experience, from personal experience. That greed and emotion, they are one of the they are the major emotions that all traders deal with. And I haven't been around for a while, for more than a decade. I've seen it. I've seen. I don't want to say I've seen it because I'm still also, learning. And also, in our community, I've seen that a lot of people. One of the questions they ask is, "How do I deal with fear? I'm always fearful about the market." Or how do I deal with greed? How do I know at what point should I come out of the market? How do I know that is enough for me to come out of the market? I'm going to address all that in this video, all right? So come with me. Now we're going to take it step by step, and I'm going to talk about fear first. How do you deal with fear? How do you actually deal with fear as a trader? The number one thing you need to understand as a trader, to deal with fear, you need knowledge. An adequate knowledge, kicks out fear. Is you have not had enough knowledge about that matter. All right. It's the same thing with trading. If you, for example, if you don't know how to cook and you get somewhere and they ask you to cook, you'll be afraid, right? So the same thing with trading. The more knowledgeable you are about the market, the more bold you are. You become bolder, and then you will not be fearful. So knowledge is key. You want to be knowledgeable. You want to understand the market. You want to understand price action, basically price action, market structures, demand and supply zone, support and resistance, basic market structure and price action. How grounded you are about them is going to help you to deal with fear. All right, that's the number one thing. The number two thing is focus. When I started trading, I'm not so focused. I want to trade everything. I want to trade all the instruments that my broker has provided me with. I want to trade from morning to evening. I want to trade all the sessions, and I keep losing money. I keep losing money over and over and over and over until I come to the realization that I need to be focused. And I've seen this, to over and over with myself, my trading journey, and those that I've also, mentor. And like I always tell them, focus on one instrument. And like I always say, and like I've always been saying, if you have been around my channel, is that the more you focus on one instrument, the better and more successful you become. For example, you want to focus on one instrument. Let's say you're trading forex. You want to focus on, you want to pick one instrument, probably Euro USD or Pounds USD. And like I always say, focus on that instrument for a year. Understand the patterns of that instrument, how it moves, how it's the structure, the price action of that instrument, of that pair, of that currency pair. If it is stock you are trading, also you want to pick one instrument. If it is indices, you want to pick one. If it is crypto, you want to pick one. If you're trading gold or oil or commodity, you want to also pick one. I'm not saying that people that trade like 2-3 pairs are not successful. What I'm saying is that if you're just starting, or if you have been trading for a while and you have not been consistent, take time out. Just take one pair and focus on, black out the others and just, focus on that pair for a year. That's exactly what I did some couple of years ago. I just took Euro USD and I sat with it, and for more than 6 months, that was the only pair I traded. After a while, when I understand the pattern and the structure, I now started adding other pairs. Right now, I trade like 2-3 pairs at most. Majorly, I focus on max 2 pairs, between 2 and 3 pairs. All right, even I've been trading for over a decade. So also, risk management. The third thing that why people are fearful about the market is risk management. And before I talk about risk management, in the link below, we have a trading course known as Traders Above Forex Mastery course. In that course, even if you're a newbie, trust me, taking that course is going to save you a lot of you trying to experiment with the market. I've put my, the best of the best, of myself in that course. Is a video course, and you have a lifetime access. In that, click in the link below. There's a link below where you can click, in this video. So let's move on. So talking about risk management, a lot of traders want to make all the money today, and that's why when you click buy or sell, you are afraid because you have over leveraged your account. You don't want to over leverage your account. All right, I used to be like that. I want to make all the money today. I want to make all the money today. And then, I'm trading a full lot size on a $1,000 account. You and I know, if you've been around trading, you and I know that, just a spike in the market, I'll lose that money, right? And I keep giving the brokers my money every now and then. Okay, don't be in a hurry to give your broker your money. Okay, take your time, take a very good risk management between 1% and 3%. That is what I've been telling my students. You want to focus on 1% and 3%, and then you'll find out that you'll be less stressed. Trading is not difficult, just that most of us, complicate it. So let's go to greed. How do you deal with greed? I get a lot of these questions. How do I deal with greed? I don't know when to come out of the market. Sometimes I make money in the morning, I lose everything in the afternoon. Sometimes I make money in the afternoon, I lose everything in the evening. A lot of people, they ask me that question. I also went through that journey. There's no trader that doesn't go through that journey. So it's not peculiar to you. I need you to understand that first. Nothing's wrong with you. Okay, it's just that you have not dealt with it. Okay, so and you coming this far already tell me that you want to actually deal with it. How do you deal with greed? The number one thing that you want to deal with when it comes to greed is also you want to determine how much are you willing to lose in a trade. Very, very important. A lot of traders doesn't want to hear the word lose. All they want to hear is I want to make so amount. Mature traders that have been around for a while understand that you have losing streaks. No matter how good your analysis is, market will do what it will do. Especially if you are a retail trader. Especially if you are not trading $1 billion account like myself. I don't trade $1 billion account. So I cannot manipulate the market, right? I can only trade the market, I can only follow the trend and put the market in my favor or follow the odd that will favor me in the market because I cannot manipulate the market. Okay, because I don't have $1 billion. I don't have $5 billion that I'm using to trade. All right. So as a trader, in dealing with greed, the number one thing is that you want to know how much are you willing to lose. Risk management is also very, very important. Okay. You also want to be very, very patient. A lot of traders are not patient. Back in the days, I used to be in a hurry to trade. Like one of my friends used to say, and that actually stuck with me over the years. Don't be in a hurry to give the market your money. All right. It is your money, not placing a trade is also a decision. All right. So, and over the years, sometimes I can be in front of my system for the whole day and I'm not placing a trade. Sometimes a week. Once I don't see my setup, I don't place a trade. So you actually also want to be patient. All right. A patient trader is a successful trader. And a patient trader is a trader that has actually dealt with greed. All right. So click in the link below. Join us in our course. Also, we also have a free Telegram group. Okay. That you can also join. It's a community that is, that you have a lot of people there that is going to help you. Don't be a lone trader. In the link below, click on that Telegram group and join us. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.